Heading: Built-in exceptions in Java. Side heading: Definition. First point: built-in exceptions are predefined exception classes provided by Java. Second point: they handle common runtime and compile time errors. Third point: they are present in java.lang and other packages. Side heading: types of built-in exceptions. First point: arithmetic exception occurs during invalid arithmetic operations like division by 0. Second point: null pointer exception occurs when using a null reference. Third point: array index out-of-bounds exception occurs when invalid array index is accessed. Fourth point: number format exception occurs when invalid string is converted to number. Fifth point: IO exception occurs during input and output operations. Heading: user-defined exceptions in Java. Side heading: definition. First point: user-defined exceptions are custom exceptions created by the programmer. Second point: they are used for application-specific error handling. Third point: they are created by extending the exception class. Side heading: steps to create user-defined exception. First point: create a class that extends exception class. Second point: define a constructor to pass error message. Third point: use throw keyword to generate the exception. Side heading: example. First point: class invalidAge exception extends exception open curly bracket close curly bracket. Second point: throw new invalidAge exception open bracket invalidAge close bracket. Third point: used for validating user input in programs. Heading: exception methods in Java. Side heading: getMessage method. First point: it returns the detailed message of the exception. Second point: syntax: e.getMessage open bracket close bracket. Third point: it helps to understand the cause of error. Side heading: toString method. First point: it returns a short description of the exception. Second point: syntax: e.toString open bracket close bracket. Third point: it includes exception name and message. Side heading: print stack trace method. First point: it PR. Side heading: print stack trace method. First point: it prints the full stack trace of the exception. Second point: syntax: e.printStackTrace open bracket close bracket. Third point: it is used for debugging purposes.